Today, I'm going to teach you the perfect routine to improve your shooting during the basketball games. Let me explain. Hi, my name is Paul Jose Wong. Currently play basketball overseas at the university level, and I'm just on a constant journey of being the best version of myself, especially within the game of basketball, and sharing the tips I've learned along my journey with you guys. So this workout to improve our shooting mechanics and coordination, you can do it anytime at the point of the season or in the off season. It's something that will make you feel that you're getting a lot better without doing a lot of taxing, full grueling work on the body. Basic free throws, all what it is just a 15-foot shot away from the rim. The key thing, do the same mechanics and do the same dribbling routine as you would in a game. Keep it under 10 seconds. So I usually basically just try to get about 5 makes in a row. People may be asking, yo, if you got singular rims out here, even on the wall, like why are you using double rims? Well, my philosophy, if you do this workout on the double rims, when you shoot on a single rim, it's a lot easier. And the other thing I wanted to mention, some of the rims overseas, whether it's pro, semi-pro, university level, again, I'm at the university level, but the rims may be double rimmed. Away from the basket, 1, 2, turn, shot. Pretty simple. Go for a couple, like you want to get 5 makes on these. We're here, you want to jump off 2 feet, land on 2 feet. Obviously you want to make as many as you can, especially in a row, but if you're, how do I say, if you're making them, and even when you miss them, if they're straight, whether they're short or long, you're on the right track. Keep in mind, it's slightly harder to make on a double rim. Being at the same time, we wanna always, for this drill, have the ball in our shot pocket. I'll say that again. We always wanna have the ball in our shot pocket for this drill. So that way, when we land, we can go straight up. We're here. We're here. As I've been saying within the big game of basketball and a lot of my videos, the goal is to get better. The goal is not to just not make mistakes. So we're here now, turning opposite direction. 1, 2, turn, shot. Yep. The other thing I forgot to mention is you want all your makes to be straight. Whether they're short, hit the backboard and in, or hit the backboard, back of the rim, or a swish. That's how you want it. If the ball's moving side to side and it barely goes in, don't count those, because you want to make sure you're getting good quality reps. All what it is, we're working on the timing of our pickup. If it's on the left side, we pick it up here, bring it to our right side. If we're a shooter on the right side always up here, but have our guide hand ready and don't bring your arm across from it. If we're shooting off the left side off the dribble, whether you're a left-handed or right-handed shooter, ideally you want to go right-left for the shot. If we're going on the right side, whether you're a left-handed or a right-handed shooter, we want to be going off the left foot and then the right foot on the last 2 steps. Between the legs, off-hand swipe, go up. When you do the move as well, like for instance, if I'm going between the legs here, try to like shift your body when you go, almost like you're gliding, so you can make it more realistic, and make sure you're using your offhand to swipe. Too, if you slightly want to fade to the side, you can do that too, because in a game, a lot of the times, if you're like me, you're undersized, you want to create as much space as you can from the initial or help defenders. The key thing is you don't want to go 1,000,000 miles per hour, but you're going at a controlled pace, where in a game, if a defender is still on your hip or on your shoulder, you can use your body to create that contact to get that extra space. Again, mix up the moves that you do. You ain't always gotta be doing the same move again unless if you're trying to do your best to perfect the move, but add variability. Don't be so robotic with your movements. I'm here. One thing I want to advise, I kind of just did it, but especially for my right-handed shooters, doing the left dribble setback is when you go out here, kind of like bring the ball back out like you're doing a hesitation with the option to go. Because if you grab the ball too early and you're against an elite defender, you already know that you're going to go for a step back. So kind of keep them in guessing on what you're gonna do. All right, so those 4 simple drills, 2 of them are for off the catch shooting, 2 of them are for on the ball dribbling shooting. Those are the favorite drills that I love doing to get your body warm, not too tired, but still feeling that you put in the work to make those little extra strides. This is a perfect workout to do, especially in season because of how quick it can be. And at the same time, you can for sure do it for your warm-ups during the off season before you get into the meat and potatoes of your actual training. All right, y'all, much love, wish us luck on this game. And we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna be the best version of ourselves. Let's get it, yeet, yeet.